everybody, my name's Sarah. I'm a PhD student in the Structural Engineering Department here at Purdue. I'm going to talk a little bit about your PI's tenure and how it affects you. First up, we have assistant professors, and those are professors that are not tenured yet. They are very interested in writing research proposals and getting grant awards. That's something that's very important to them and that they will look for in their tenure packets. They're also going to be conducting a lot of research. They'll be interested in publishing papers, which is something students will help with, and will also be looked at in their tenure packets. And they will also be interested in graduating a significant number of students in order to fulfill that requirement as part of their tenure packet. We also have associate professors who are usually tenured. Usually when an assistant professor gets tenure, they will become an associate professor. You can have an associate professor that is not tenured. That means that they've usually done an assistant professorship at another university and have been hired by their current university as an associate professor and will go up for tenure in a couple of years. They are also very interested in writing research proposals and receiving grant awards, in addition to conducting research, which is something students will have a big part in, and publishing papers. Not as important as an assistant professor, but they will still publish a lot of papers with students and by themselves with other collaborators. Then you have your full professor, and these would be tenured faculty that are still interested in writing research proposals and receiving grant awards. They will conduct research, and their research groups will be a bit larger compared to an assistant professor or an associate professor, because they're able to get a little bit more funding than some of those younger professors might. They're going to be less interested on publishing papers. They've already gotten their name out there and have made a name for themselves. That's kind of the breakdown of different professor types. It really doesn't mean a whole lot to students. Depending on what students' goals are, may align better with a specific type of professor, but in my opinion you should really pay more attention to the type of research professors are doing rather than if they are technically tenured or not. I hope this helps, and boiler up!